Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wondered how to make that delightful, wobbly jelly often found in Filipino desserts? It's called Gulaman, and it's surprisingly simple to prepare. This plant-based jelly is incredibly versatile, perfect for adding a fun texture to drinks or sweets. Today, we will guide you through the easy steps, showing you how to create your own delicious Gulaman right in your kitchen. Get ready to enjoy this classic treat. Our first step is crucial for a smooth jelly. Start by taking your Gulaman powder and dissolving it completely in a bit of cold water. Always check the specific instructions on your Gulaman package, as some brands might have different water ratios. This little premixing helps prevent any lumps from forming when you heat it. Just stir it well until it looks fully incorporated before moving on. Now, transfer your premixed Gulaman into a saucepan with your chosen liquid, perhaps water or milk. Place it over medium heat and make sure to stir constantly as it comes to a gentle boil. This continuous stirring is really important to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the powder fully dissolves and the mixture slightly thickens. You are almost there. Once your Gulaman mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your desired molds or simply a serving dish. You can use fun shapes or just a square pan. Now, this next part requires a little patience. Let the hot liquid cool down completely at room temperature first. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator. Chill it for at least 2 hours or even longer until it is beautifully firm and perfectly set. Your homemade Gulaman is now ready to enjoy. Once it is perfectly set, gently unmold it and slice it into lovely cubes or perhaps some fun, decorative shapes. You can enjoy your Gulaman plain or get creative. Add it to sweet drinks like sagot Gulaman or mix it into fruit salads for extra texture. This refreshing, versatile treat is simply delightful, a wonderful way to cool down any time of the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.